I'm gonna do a little tutorial on installing the HID, well, replacing HID in Mazda CX-7 2007. I already got one with clips out there. Clip out here. And I'm gonna take out a clip here. Hopefully this one comes out. Oh wow, this one actually fucking comes out. Very surprised. Let's see. Pull it down. Take the little clip out. Screw back in. Kind of pain in the ass to do it with one hand. What? I'll help you guys, alright? 3 out, okay? Set those out to the side. Alright, so now grip on it. Down as much as you can. Alright. Yeah, oh, you can see where my fucking, my amp wires ran through. But, this little case right here, take this. Find that fucking thing. Okay. So we got that, okay. Oh, Christ. Plastic's fucking flexing on me. Alright, here we go. Alright. This, right here, is, your OEM ballast. So, get up in there, twist it off. Okay. Let the fucker hang. You see, alright, you got those 2 clips right there, the little hook thingies. You're gonna basically push those. Let me do one for a second. Okay, you're gonna push in and pull. Not hard, be gentle with it. They are fragile. HID comes right out. Okay. So, come over here. I already put one in. It's the old one. Here's the new one. And you can tell it's like a browner color. This one's more pinkish thing on there. Plastic piece, I think it is. Not exactly sure. You're not supposed to touch these bulbs at all. Alright, bear with me for a minute. I'm going to take this out. Alright, this is a new HID bulb. Okay, this is the old one. Basically the same fucking thing, okay? Let's see. These are the D2S, hold on. It says on this. Bear with me a second again. Yes. D2S. That's what goes in your CX7s with the HID valves. If you already have HID in it, get the D2S bulbs. Set this one on the ground here. And like I said, that's your ballast right there. And I think those are H11 bulbs for your fogs. Not sure. I'm gonna pull it out and see my K&N air filter. Want to get that up in here somehow so I get as much cold airflow as possible. But I need some more piping. So I guess that's my stock air box. Probably fucking rip that out sometime soon. Not sure when. When I get more fucking time. Probably when I get my fog light bulbs. I want to take. That's my horn. I want to get the big horns in the front and the grill. But stop talking. Put this up in here. Oh shit. That's not fucking good.